Hello there, IELTS students. In this video we're going to look at some very helpful speaking tips to get you through the exam and just help you on exam day. Okay, so first of all, right, a lot of students tell me that they get nervous and it's difficult for them to put the words that's in their head. It's difficult for them to communicate what's there. And when it comes to writing, happy days, it's all good, it's easy. Okay, when it comes to reading, easy. When it comes to listening, easy. When it comes to speaking, it's difficult, and they get tongue-tied and they can't find the vocabulary fast enough. And I know the problem, because when I was learning Spanish, exactly the same would happen to me. I was stood there listening to the conversation and I wanted to interject, I wanted to participate, but I couldn't find the vocabulary, or I couldn't construct the sentence fast enough for it to be meaningful. Yeah. But by the time I'd actually constructed my sentence, bam, the conversation had moved on to a different topic. Now, there are a few ways you can overcome this. Anyway, I got a bit off topic. Let's just focus on exam day. So the examiner asks you something, and what you want to do is organize your thoughts and give them a very good answer. Now, one tip that I got from doing the podcast, from interviewing a lot of experts, was that what you should do is first breathe, relax, easier said than done of course, and then start slowly. Okay, start slowly with a basic sentence, get moving, get talking, and then from there go further and start constructing your more advanced structures, or your more complex structures, or start using some of the more advanced vocab that you may have. But the important thing is just to start slow, get started, get moving, and then from there it'll become a lot easier. But the important thing is just starting. Now, another tip for exam day is the confidence. Okay, confidence is fundamental, and if you're very nervous, it's going to affect your performance considerably. Yeah, you just need to go and watch any discipline, watch any sport, for example, and you'll see that confidence is like the factor that you must have. Okay, now how do you get confidence? Good question. Well, first of all, you could change your body position, your body language, and there's a few TED Talks on this, where you, from your actual body structure, the way you are, you can actually transmit confidence. And just by being in a confident position, you're going to act a little bit more confident. Okay, have a look at the TED Talks about confidence for that. Another way is to go onto YouTube, type in confidence, and just start working on it and start doing small steps. Now, before exam day, there's a few things you can do as well. One, you probably are all aware of this technique. You talk, you record it, then you analyze it afterwards and look for mistakes. Another technique that a speech therapist told me, which is very, very good technique, what you can do is listen to authentic material, authentic native speaker material. Now, BBC 6 Minutes is a great resource for this, because you've got the transcripts as well. But what you can do is listen, and by the way, listen with headphones, because they directly stimulate the auditory nerves, so it makes it more effective and more productive, the whole exercise. But listen with headphones and listen for 10 seconds, pause it, and then repeat what you've heard. Go for the intonation, go for the vocabulary, go for the accent, and this is called mimicking, and you'll see some fast improvements by doing this. It takes time, takes a lot of effort, but it's not going to cost you a penny, and you're going to see some good results. Okay, and do this, set a schedule, do it for 10 minutes every day, and you'll see some big improvements. Right then, if you want more tips and want more advice, go to IELTSPodcast.com, sign not sign in, sign up, click the link below and you'll go directly there. Okay, thanks for watching and all the best in the exam. If you need a hand, sign up, you'll get my email address and send me an email and I'll respond. I usually respond to about 99% of them because 1% always get lost. Anyway, that's irrelevant. Just click below and yeah, good luck. Jump from band 6 to 7 or it's free. The sentence guide is the answer if you need to pass IELTS fast. Why? Because together we cover the 2 essential skills you need to pass the IELTS exam. Your IELTS exam skills and your English language skills. You get easy to follow instructions which eliminate confusion, frustration, and it makes organising your thoughts really easy. And to improve your English language skills, you send in your essays to me or my team and we give you feedback showing you how to improve your lexical resource, showing you the errors you might have made, and this practically guarantees that you improve and pass the IELTS exam. Click below to listen to the other students, see what they've said, and then join me together and we can pass IELTS. Okay, speak soon.